everybody, it's Stacy. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be filming for the week of December 10th to the 16th in my Erin Condren Vertical Life Planner. We are going to be using another Christmas kit. This one is called Filthy Animal and it is inspired by the movie Home Alone. So I'm not starting with my bottom washi first like I usually do. I couldn't decide which washi tape I wanted to use, so I'm going to start with the full boxes first and I'll do my washi at the end. So I'm going to do my full boxes and my glitter headers and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I have all of my full boxes and my glitter headers down, I just went and put the flags from the kit in the top corners, and I'm just putting my date covers on now using the date squares from my shop. So I'm going to get started on the sidebar right away. So underneath the quote box that says, "Merry Christmas, you filthy animal," I'm going to put this skinny piece of washi from Simply Gilded. I do want to apologize if you can hear my kids in the background. They're just playing with all their Christmas toys. They're having so much fun. So now I'm going to put in a half box to mark my highlight for the week. Then I'm going to put an odds and ends header down and a weekly sidebar box. This is going to be to mark my advent calendar that I do with my kids every single day. We do Christmas activities every day instead of like little toys or gifts or candy or stuff like that. So I just want to mark down what we did every day. And then a dinners header and a weekly sidebar to mark my dinners for the week. So I'm just going to go in and fill all that in now, and I'll be right back. Moving on to our day-to-day, on Monday I started with an appointment label and I put a music note from my shop to mark my daughter's piano lesson for the week. I was trying to decide which color I want to use. I wasn't sure if this green kind of matched the kit, but I think I ended up using the green in different spots anyways because I thought there was a lot of blue. Then I took a coffee cup from the kit to mark that I went for coffee with my son TJ in the morning while my daughter was at piano lessons. And then I took a laptop and a work script sticker to mark that I did printing and cutting that day. Then I ended up doing some designing that day, so I took a quarter box from the kit and I layered it with a bow that comes from my shop. These bows were in the Black Friday freebie, but they are now listed in the shop, not this specific colorway, but they have 4 different colorways currently right now. Then I took a movie marquee to mark that I watched Elf in the evening, and I got this Elf sticker from my movie bucket list. Then I wanted to put down this little planning girl from Planner Mania to mark that I filmed some videos. So I just moved that design down and then I put that at the top there because I thought it worked really well. I could squeeze it in. On Tuesday, my kids had preschool, so I took a preschool sticker to mark that. Then my son actually had to come home sick from school this day. They called me and said he was looking really pale and he wasn't really playing very much. So I brought him home and I checked him and he actually had a fever of like 102, which really surprised me because he hadn't really been saying that he hadn't been showing any signs of it at all. So I took a piece of washi from the kit, and then this sick day sticker is from my shop as well. And then I'm just using a piece of Simply Gilded washi to separate that. And then I get another work day, so a laptop and work script sticker. Then this day I ended up editing a video, so I took a glitter flag from the kit along with the computer from the kit to mark editing my video. In the evening, I ended up going to Superstore with my sister, so I took one of these shopping carts in the red color to mark going to Superstore. And then the rest of the evening, I just spent watching YouTube, so I took the TV icon from the kit to mark watching YouTube. On Wednesday, I started the morning with going grocery shopping, so I took one of those shopping carts stickers again in the blue this time to mark going grocery shopping. I'm really out of the grocery shopping stickers and I want to find something different because I feel like I'm always using the same ones. Then I took a quarter box from the kit to mark that we baked cookies for the neighbors, and I had this bake sticker from Nikki +3. This was a sheet that I got last Christmas. Then I ended up watching the movie on Netflix, Christmas Chronicles, and I had this cute Netflix sticker from Kaelis Paperie to mark that. In the evening, we went to see the movie Ralph Breaks the Internet, so I took a movie marquee to mark that. This was actually for my friend Ashley's birthday, so I took a little Miso Co dog holding a little present. He's so cute. Use that to mark her birthday. If you guys are not already following Ashley, she's actually one of my PR girls, and I'll link her Instagram down below so you can get her exclusive freebie. Then I ended up having a nap in the afternoon, so I took this really cute girl from Mania that looks like she's very tired to mark my nap. Moving on to the second half of the week, my kids went to preschool on Thursday. Actually, just my daughter did. I kept my son home from school because he still had a fever on Wednesday, and they have to be fever-free for 24 hours to go to school. So I kept him home on Thursday, even though he didn't have a fever. I just thought it was better safe than sorry. Then me and my kids went to shop for some presents, so I put this little present from the Nikki +3 sampler sheet, and I put buy presents for friends. And then I separated that with some Simply Gilded washi. Then I did some more work this day, so another laptop and work script sticker. This day I also did some designing for new releases, so I took an appointment label and I layered that with a bow sticker to mark designing. I actually really like how this looks. I might use this from now on for designing. I think it's really cute. Then we delivered the cookies that we made to our neighbors. So there was this really cute gingerbread cookie sticker on the Nikki +3 sheet. So I used that to mark delivering the cookies to the neighbors. Then we went to Planner Club in the evening. So I ended up taking a quarter box from the kit and I layered that with a really cute sticker from Planner Mania. It's a little TN sticker in this really cute red color. And then I decided it needed a little something extra, so I put a piece of skinny washi behind there just to fill in that space. And I used that quarter box to mark Planner Club. On Friday, I had to catch up a lot on some cleaning, so I took this really cute cleaning girl from Planner Mania to mark cleaning the entire house. I feel like I haven't done the entire house in so long, just work has just been insane. Then I actually did wash the floors, which haven't been done in so long, so I took a quarter box and a wash floors sticker. This is from the spring cleaning sheet, but you can buy single sheets of these. I ended up doing some work in the afternoon, so I took another laptop and work script sticker. Then this evening we went to buy presents for my kids' friends. So I took a flag from the kit and along with that little present icon to mark buying those presents for them. And then this day was my friends group holiday party. We usually get together around this time and we have a big potluck dinner and we just get together and play lots of games. All our kids play together. It's super fun. So to mark that, I took a half box and then I had this really cute holiday party sticker from the Nikki +3 sheet, and I thought the color red in there just fit the kit perfectly. And then to make the box look a little more festive, I just took one of the ornaments from the deco sheet and added that to the corner. On Saturday, I went for breakfast with my parents in the morning. So I took a quarter box from the kit and I layered that with a meal icon to mark going for breakfast. Then I ended up doing a ton of Christmas shopping with my sister. So I took a half box from the kit along with a holiday shopping sticker from that Nikki +3 sheet. We did a lot of our Christmas shopping the week prior, me and my husband, but I had a lot of local stuff, little extra stuff that I had to pick up, so I did all of that day. Then I did some puzzling in the evening, so I took a puzzle icon to mark that. Also in the evening, I ended up watching the movie Dumplin', so I took a movie marquee to mark that I watched that. Did you guys watch that movie? It's like a Netflix movie. I thought it was okay. Not the best movie, but it was one of those easy watching kind of movies. Then I ended up planning that evening, so I took a piece of washi from the kit along with this Plan Next Week sticker. On Sunday, we went to church in the morning, so I took a church icon to mark that. And this day was actually my dad's birthday, so I took a half box and then some balloons from the kit to mark my dad's birthday, and then I just took a piece of skinny washi to separate that little section there. So after my dad's birthday dinner, I ended up doing some more puzzling in the evening, so I took another puzzle icon to mark that. And then I ended up filming a video, so I took a flag from the kit and I layered that with a phone icon because I actually do all my filming on my iPhone and I just, use that to mark it. Then I took a quarter box from the kit because I was having a lot of trouble with my photos actually syncing to my Mac computer, so I wanted to get all the 2018 photos off my phone, so I was working on that day. So now I'm just going to go in and open up the spread. I'm going to go in and put the bottom washi down. I use this gorgeous Simply Gilded red washi on the top, and then I use the washi from the kit underneath that. On the left-hand side, I just put it straight down, but on the right-hand side, I ended up flipping it just so I get some more of that blue and green ornaments as opposed to all just red. And I'm also going to cut that down using my slice tool and my ruler from my Erin Condren. After that, I'm going to go in and put some deco around the kit, including around the highlight for the week, which was definitely a ton of Christmas fun. This was an awesome week. I'm also going to go in and put my Christmas countdown in the bottom washi section, just between the Simply Gilded washi and the kit washi. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Leave any comments or questions you have down below. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!